Hey friends, subscribers, and everyone who just clicked in. In this video, I'll show you how to use a letterbox to make your shots feel more cinematic and dynamic. No long talk, let's jump right in. As you can see, I already have my drone clips on the timeline, and in just a few minutes, we'll make the image look way better. First, I take a ready-made letterbox overlay and drag it onto the timeline. I'll show you where to download it for free at the end of the video. Now you can see the dark bars on the top and bottom. Let's animate them a bit so the shot feels more alive. Open the letterbox settings. Now add keyframes for position and scale. My playhead is around the 2-second mark. Here I set a keyframe, scale at 100%. Then I go back to the beginning and set another keyframe. And I increase the scale until the edges go off screen. I ease out on the first keyframe and ease in on the second one. Now let's see how it looks. To me, it instantly feels more cinematic. Alright, let's move to the second clip. See how the mountain gets cut off a bit by the top bar and there's too much empty space at the bottom? Here I simply move the clip down using position the top gets covered and the composition feels more balanced. In my opinion, it looks way better like this. Now let's jump closer to the end of the project. This clip is a side move with a nice parallax effect. So we'll do the reverse letterbox animation, the opposite of what we did earlier. I set a keyframe here, scale at 100%. Then a couple seconds later, I scale it up until the bars disappear off screen. And let's check the result. Honestly, it looks pretty solid. Now let me show you where to get a free letterbox. Go to a letterbox generator website. I'll leave the link in the YouTube description. Here you can choose the resolution, size, and color, whatever fits your creative idea. Hit generate, then download, and you're good to go. Alright, let's watch the final result one more time. If this was helpful, drop a like and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and happy flying with beautiful shots.